What's up, YouTube? I got a video for y'all today. So basically, I am unboxing. Oh, peep the Durag, right? Look at the Durag. The Durag's on fire. Look at the Durag. Look at the Durag. And it matched my shirt. Oh man, this is a velvet Durag. You know, it's got that cloth texture to it. Not cloth, but like got that suede texture. And these are nice Durags out. I don't remember the name of this one, but I do know that there's another brand that sell these type of Durags. And the brand name is Vita. Yeah, and they also peep my Instagram because I post pictures with my Durags on. And they actually sent me a request to follow them, and I followed them. And it's like, I can get sponsored by them, a video. They should sponsor a video, you know. But I'm unboxing a Durag that I just received like 2 days ago. It's like the same, but I don't think it's exactly the same. I can't remember the name, y'all. I'm sorry for that. I just can't.
We'll get the word, nigga. We'll get the word, nigga. You took the last shot in my motherfucking face. Then send the bitch with the $3.50 that I had in my fucking hand.
Okay, yeah, the neighborhood I live in, it is bad. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, let's get back to this. I'm sorry for that, y'all. I'm gonna have to edit that. Y'all know how we do. Let me see. I know y'all like that lighting. Look at that lighting. Ooh. Let me see. Yeah. Okay. Beauty Town International, what up with it? Oh, yeah, Beauty Town. That's the brand, Beauty Town. Velvet Durag, long tail, right? Coconut oil treated. I don't know why it says that on there, but okay. Alright, so this is what it looks like, the box. Nice packaging. Yeah, these are the colors. Onyx, they got Onyx, they got Frostbite, they got Uncensored, Majestic Blue, Royal, Toasted Almond, Midnight, Vice, Coral, Soy Pink, Sin, Currency, Sangria, Fatigue, Savage, Construct, Silver Bullet, Canary, Plush, and Powder Blue. Powder Blue looks like Sky Blue. I don't know why they call it Powder Blue. That's a nice name though. Ah! But okay. Let me see. How do I open this? Dude, who's texting me? Nobody's texting me. It just says message failed to send. Okay, that's cool. Alright, now seriously, like, how do I open this? Hold on a minute, y'all. Hold on. Bruh. I'm gonna cut myself. Ooh-wee. It looks nice. Wow. I did not know they meant. Oh my God. It has a coconut oil scent to it. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. It smells good, man. I'm telling y'all, it smells good. It smells really good. I love scents. I'm sorry, y'all. If it smells good, I'm in that. Literally. But yeah, look at this. It's all black, yeah. Oh my gosh, this is nice, man. What is it? This is Pippin. No, I'm gonna keep this one on today though. But yeah, man, y'all see how this is? Look, they got them extra long tails and shit. Look at them. Look at these long tails. Tails long. And they wide too. You know, see? Blah. That's how it's gonna look. As soon as I wrap them around my head. Blah. Yeah, man. Shout out to them. Shout out to what's they called again? Beauty Town. Y'all did that thing. You heard me? What the fuck? That's weird. Oh my gosh, that was so weird what I just saw. But yeah. Look at this, y'all. You know. This is a nice one. I don't know if, cause I feel like, I don't know. Cause I don't know for sure like which one is thicker. That don't matter. They're both good. They're both technically the same. One black, one velvet. I will be wearing more durags like this, y'all. Just to let y'all know. Oh my gosh, man. It's got that coconut. Oh my God. Oh man. It smells so good. Like, if y'all knew how good this smells, y'all be like, wow, this smells so good. Yeah. That's amazing. Oh, for my new subscribers, you know, because y'all gonna subscribe to the video no matter what, you know. Y'all just gonna show love like that. Why not? What y'all doing? You don't just look at a whole video and then not subscribe. Like, it don't happen like that, you know what I'm saying? Because usually for me, when I subscribe to the channel, I subscribe before the video is over. Because, like, you know, it's kind of like a first impression thing. Like, first impression on the video, it takes about, for me, it takes about, a minute and a half for me to think like, okay, I see where this person is going with this, and I mess with it, you know. I don't want to swear, but I messes with it. So we gonna subscribe and hit that notification bell, you know, so you get the next video. I don't know why people walking out here like this feels good or something. What's wrong with them? I don't know. But yeah, that's the durag, y'all. About to just fold this up. You know, I don't know how to fold this, but I do know that I better fold it or something gonna happen to it. I should show my mom these. I haven't shown my mom. She was like, wow, that's beautiful. I know, but you ain't getting it. What? Alright, I gotta clean this mess up. And y'all subscribe to my channel. If y'all like the durag, comment in the section below. I love you if you love me, and that's how it's supposed to be, you know? I don't always say that for every video, so don't expect me to say that again. But y'all, if y'all part of Halo Squad, let's get it, man. Let's go. Oh my gosh, these people are getting on my nerves, man. Somebody just turned on a corner but they did like a wide turn. Not a wide turn. They didn't do a wide turn, which is a problem. So like they turned on the corner, and they turned close to the curve, going out to the right lane. Like, what? Why would you do that, man? Why? Come on. Come on. Don't do that. This video is 10 minutes long now, just because of them. Is it because of them? No, it's not because of them. Yeah. Okay, listen. Y'all are part of Halo Squad. Whoever just became a new subscriber, you are officially a part of Halo Squad. You do not have to do anything to get a part of my squad. You see how I did that? Like, you just subscribe and then you just watch the video and subscribe. That's all you got to do, and you a part of. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's like you a part of something without putting no effort. Well, you did put effort in because you watched the video, but y'all know what I mean. But yeah. Spread the positivity. Halo Squad, y'all know what a halo is. It's a good thing. A halo it resembles good energy and good vibes, and you know you're a good person. You deserve a halo on top of your head, a crown. What's the other thing? A cap and gown, a crown. And get that halo on top of your head. You know what I'm saying? Because that halo is on your head no matter what. Nobody can see that, but it's on your head. You know what I'm saying? They can't see it. But yeah, I'm out, y'all. Have a nice rest of y'all day. Spread the positivity. Don't be negative because you just get it back in return. And it's like, who wants negative energy in their life? You know, this world is hot. It's already, so like, not everything about it. It's just, your life is your life. You know, you happen to live in this world and there's something crazy that's going on every day. You just have to be you and spread the positivity and love and be the best you can be. Like, these people be tripping out here, man. These people be doing anything to mess up somebody's life. That's crazy. Just think about that. That's crazy. Like, why would you do that? Why would you do that? Why you do that? Don't do that. This phone is really bugging me. Like, why does it keep... Shut up. Yeah, man. I love y'all. I do. I'm not gonna lie. I love y'all. Y'all part of my squad. Y'all part of the family. You know, I love y'all. The real family, you know. Peace.